Let's start our Dhamma discussion by reciting Namo Tassa 3 times together. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Today I would like to share 528 kinds of metta meditations practice. In our meditation centers, we teach metta meditations after the practices of 10 kasina 8 attainments. But you can also practice metta meditation during the practice of Anapana meditation when necessary. For example, when you are practicing Anapana meditations, if your Anapana meditation is okay, you only just trying to continue to practice this Anapana meditation. Sometimes when you are practicing Anapana meditation, you may get angry. Then your mind is overwhelmed by dosa. You cannot practice Anapana meditation well. Then you should try to remove the dosa from your mind by developing metta meditations. So when you can practice metta meditation systematically, step by step, according to the Buddha's teachings, then you will be able to remove dosas, vyapada, nivarana from your mind. That's why the Buddha also taught in Meghiya Sutta, metta bhavetaba vyapadasa pahanaya. Metta meditations, metta bhavana should be developed for removal of hatred. By practicing metta meditations, your mind will become peaceful. Your mind will become calm. When your mind is peaceful and calm without any dosa, then you are ready to practice Anapana meditations again. In this way, metta meditation will be supporting meditations for your Anapana meditations. Then how to practice metta meditations, how to develop loving kindness meditations. If you have already attained, if you have already practiced Anapana meditations up to 4 jhana stages, then you should establish Anapana meditation up to 4 jhana stage. If you have already practiced Odata Kasina, white Kasina or Aloka Kasina, light Kasina up to 4 jhana stage, then those Kasina are more better than Anapana meditation. So you should establish white Kasina or Aloka Kasina up to 4 jhana stage. Then because of 4 jhanas concentration, the light will appear. Then using the light of concentration, then you can start to radiate metta, you can start to sense metta systematically. If you haven't attained any concentration yet, don't worry, then you can also start to sense metta, you can also start to radiate metta without any foundations concentrations. Okay. Then when you want to practice metta meditation systematically, step by step, you should choose, you should not start to practice beginning from enemy persons. Okay, there are 4 persons who are the objects of metta meditations. Number 1, Atta Yosa. Number 2, Piya, dear persons. Number 3, Mejjata, independent persons, neutral persons. Number 4, very enemy persons. So altogether 4 persons. So you can start to sense metta to yourself first. How to sense metta to yourself? Aham aware for me, Abhya Bejo Homi, Anigo Homi, Sukhi Adana Pariharami. May I be free from danger. May I be free from mental pain. May I be free from physical pain. May I be well and happy. In this way, again and again, again and again. After sending metta to yourself, then you can start to radiate metta to dear persons. There are two kinds of dear persons, dear respectable persons, and very dear persons. Dear respectable persons mean like your teachers or maybe a person you respect a lot. Such kinds of person is called dear respectable persons. In this case, you should try to know this dear respectable persons, dear person must be the same sex, not different sex. Male must be male persons. Female must be female dear persons. You know, in ancient times, one man went to the forest monastery. He wanted to practice metta meditations. Then he asked his teacher bhikkhus how to practice metta meditation, beginning from who? So I practice metta meditations. Then his teacher bhikkhu said, you should start to sense metta beginning from the dear persons. Then what is his dear persons? His wife. Okay, his wife is his dearest persons. Then he chooses his wife to radiate metta. Then the whole day he cannot sleep. He remembers his wife. Loving towards his wife is not really metta. This is raga, attachment. He also have the word with his spouse the whole night. Then his metta is not successful. You can start to sense metta beginning from dear persons, but must be the same sex, not differences. So you should not choose your wife or your husband. Then another one, you must be careful. You cannot sense metta to those who have already passed away. Although you radiate metta to those who have already passed away, then your metta will not reach these persons. In ancient times, one bhikkhu, he have already practiced metta meditation until he attained jhana concentrations. Then, skillfully, okay, he have already practiced metta meditation skillfully until he have attained higher level of jhana, the third jhana stage. One day, he was practicing metta meditation, paying attention his teacher as metta meditation objects. Then that time, his metta meditation was not successful. Then he became tired. Then he also informed his situations to one senior bhikkhu. Then this senior bhikkhu suggested him to find metta meditation objects. Then he found out his teacher that he was sentenced metta is already passed away. Although he have already attained metta up to third jhana stage, but when he radiates metta to his passed away teacher, then his metta meditation is not successful. Then you should start beginning from differences, dear respectable persons. You can choose one of your teachers or you respect a lot. Then must be male teachers, female teachers, like this. You can pay attention his smiling face or her smiling face, his success or her success, his happiness. Then you can start to radiate metta to him or her. How to radiate? May ayan sapuriso, awero hodu, abhyabejo hodu, anigo hodu, sukhi adana pariharadu. May this person be free from danger. May this person be free from mental pain. May this person be free from physical pain. May this person be well and happy. In this way, you should radiate metta to this person again and again, again and again. If you have foundation jhanas, for example, like Anapana 4 jhanas or white kasina, light kasina 4 jhana stage, Then based on this 4 jhana, if you practice this metta meditations, then very soon you will attain metta, the first jhana. When you attain the metta, the first jhana, you should stay there for long times, for 1 hour, 2 hours, etc. When you are satisfied with the metta, the first jhana, then you can continue to practice metta second jhana, metta third jhana, up to third jhana state, taking the same persons with the full formula, one by one. Ayan sapriso, awero hotu, may this person be free from danger. Oh, may this person be free from danger. Here you can see this one. Awero hotu, abhyabecho hotu, anigo hotu, sukhiyadanam priharatu. The 4 ways of metta meditation, radiating metta here, no? 4 kinds of developing methods. Then you can attain up to the jhana state by these 4 ways and these persons. If you are successful up to the jhana stage, then you can also radiate metta to the other respective persons. For example, you still have another respective teachers, then you can also take this person and radiate metta to him or to her. Then you can also attain up to the jhana state. In this way, up to maybe 5 to 10 persons. When you have finished sending metta to dear respective person, then you can also sense very dear person. Very dear persons mean like your father, your brother, your very good friends, etc. Then pay attention, their smiling face, happiness, success, good behavior. Then you can start to radiate metta to them with these 4 ways, the same things. You will attain up to the jhana state in each person, in each way. In this way, maybe about 5 to 10 persons. Then you will finish sending metta towards dear person, priya person. Another person is mejjata person, neutral persons. Neutral persons mean you don't like, you don't love. Or such kinds of person is called neutral persons, mejjata, middle persons. Then you can choose one neutral person as metta meditation objects. Then pay attention, this person's smiling face, success or happiness, then you can start to radiate metta to this person. Ayan sapariso, awero hotu, abhyabecho hotu, anigo hotu, sukhi adana priharatu. May this person be free from danger up to the jhana state. May this person be free from mental pain up to the jhana state. May this person be free from physical pain up to the jhana state. May this person be well and happy, then up to the jhana state. In this way, you can sense metta to neutral persons, maybe up to 5 to 10 neutral persons. When you finish sending metta to neutral persons, then you can also continue to radiate metta to enemy persons, weary persons. How to radiate? You have any enemies? When I teach metta meditations in our center, some meditator answers, I had no enemies. I asked them, you didn't get any anger towards any persons? Then they answer, yes, last time I get angry to maybe 1 person or something like this. Okay, that will be your enemy persons in this case. If you are getting angry with these persons, then you can start to radiate metta to this person as enemy persons. Okay, pay attention, their smiling face, success, happiness, good behavior. Then you can start to radiate metta to enemy person. May this person be free from danger up to the jhana state. If you have already established concentration, if you have no foundation concentration, only you just radiate metta to things, no need to worry. May this person be free from mental pain up to the jhana state. May this person be free from physical pain up to the jhana state. May this person be well and happy up to the jhana state by 4 ways. Then whatever person you radiate metta, then you can also attain up to the jhana stage. then all persons become equal. You cannot differentiate between those persons. This is dear person, this is neutral person, this is enemy person. So all persons become equal like you. Then you break down barriers between those four persons. When you have already broken down barriers or boundary between those four persons, then you are ready to radiate metta to all beings. You can start to radiate metta to those beings. You only just trying to pay attention, for example, all beings in this monastery first. Sabbe, Satta, all beings. You know, Sabbe, Satta, all beings in this monastery. Pay attention, their smiling face, happiness, good behavior, etc. Then you can start to radiate metta to them. May all beings, Sabbe Satta, Awera, Hondu, Abhyapecha, Hondu, Aniga, Hondu, Sukhi Adana, Priharandu. May all beings be free from danger. May all beings be free from mental pain. May all beings be free from physical pain. May all beings be well and happy. In this way, radiate metta to them again and again, again and again. If you have foundation jhana, within short time, you will attain up to that jhana stage. If you can successfully practice metta bhavana up to that jhana state in these monasteries, then okay, the whole Vietnam country, then the whole world, up to infinite universe, pay attention all beings, okay, then you can radiate metta to them, then you will attain up to the jhana stage. When you are successful in metta jhana, taken with the first way, Sabbe Satta, all beings. In the same way, you can continue to radiate metta towards all beings here. Sabbe Bana, all breathing beings, breathing things. Okay? Actually, they are synonyms, each other, but according to the definition, there may be slightly different. So you only just want to pay attention all beings. Then pay attention their happiness, smiling face. Then you can start to radiate metta to them. Sabbe, Bana, Awera, Hondu, Abhyapecha, Hondu, Aniga, Hondu, Sukhi, Adana, Pariharadu. In this way, again and again, again and again. Then when you are successful, send them metta to Sabbe, Bana. Then in the same way, Sabbe, Buddha, all creatures. All creatures here mean the beings who have karma and kilesa. So, if we consider all beings has karma and kilesa, so you only just want to pay attention all beings. Pay attention their smiling face, happiness and good behavior, then you can radiate metta to them. Sabbe Buddha, Awera Hondu, Abhyapecha Hondu, Aniga Hondu, Sukhi Adana Priharandu. In this way, you can radiate metta to them again and again, again and again. In the same way, here number 4, Sabbe Pokala. Sabbe Pokala means all individuals here. Pokala here means those who have already been to the hell. In the past, everybody visited to the hell. Okay, that's why then you only just pay attention all beings. Then you can radiate metta to them. Then number 5, Sabbe Adabhava Priyapana. Sabbe Adabhava Priyapana means all beings who have 5 aggregates. Then all beings who have 5 aggregates. Then everybody have 5 aggregates. So you only just trying to pay attention all beings. Then radiate metta to them by these 4 ways. Then you can attain up to the jhana state in each person in each way. These number 1 to number 5 persons are unspecified persons. Okay, you only just try to pay attention all beings. then only just radiates matter to dense by these 4 ways. Then number 6, Sabha Atyo. Number 6 to number 12. Okay, these persons are specific persons. Then you only just try to pay attention all women or all females as your metta meditation objects. Then pay attention their happiness, smiling face, good behavior. Then you can sense metta to them. May all females beings be free from danger, be free from mental pain, be free from physical pain, be well and happy again and again, again and again. And number 7, Sabbe Purisa, all men or all male persons. Then you can also radiate metta to them. Then number 8, Sabbe Ariya, all noble persons. Then you only just try to pay attention the noble persons and radiate metta to them by these 4 ways. Sabbe Anariyas, all non-noble ones, non-noble persons, ordinary persons. Then you only just try to pay attention the ordinary Puthujana's person, then radiate metta to them. Then Sabbe Deva, all deities, all devas, including Brahma. You only just radiate metta to them by these 4 ways. Number 11, Sabbe Manusa, all human beings. You only just try to radiate metta to all human beings by this 4 way, the same way. Number 12, Sabbe Vinipatika, all beings in the lower ranks or in the rank of sufferance. Those me, 4 apaya, beings in the 4 apayas. Then pay attention, those beings, you can radiate metta to them by these 4 ways. 12 beings, 12 kinds of beings radiate metta by 4 ways. So 12 multiplied by 4, you get 48 kinds of metta. Now you just finish sending metta to all 12 kinds of beings without directions. But when you finish sending metta to those 12 kinds of beings without paying attention directions, then you can also start to sense metta according to the directions. There are 10 directions you can see here, 10 regions. Number 1, Pratimaya Desaya, or they translate easterly directions. Pratimaya, which one is a Pratimaya? Here, or which one? Now you are sitting here, then you only just trying to pay attention all beings in east directions. Okay? Sabbe Saddha, Sabbe Bana, Sabbe Buddha, Sabbe Bokala, Sabbe Adda Bhava Priyapana, Sabba Etiyo, Sabbe Purisa, Sabbe Ariya, Sabbe Anariya, Sabbe Deva, Sabbe Manusa, Sabbe Vinipatika, Avera Hondu, Abhyapecha Hondu, Aniga Hondu, Sukhi Adana Briharandu. Or in this way, you can sense metta to all 12 kinds of beings in each directions. Then you can attain up to the jhana stage. In the same way, then you can radiate metta to west directions. Pachimaya, Desaya, 12 kinds of being by 4 ways. Then Uttaraya, Desaya, the north directions, 12 kinds of being by 4 ways. Then Dakshinaya, Desaya, south directions. You can also radiate metta to 12 kinds of beings by 4 ways. Then Pratimaya Anudisaya. Pratimaya Anudisaya means southeast directions. Another one is a Pachimaya Anudisaya. Pachimaya Anudisaya means, northwest directions. Number 7, Uttaraya Anudisaya, northeast direction. Number 8, Dakshinaya Anudisaya, southwest directions. Number 9, Hetimaya Desaya, downwards directions. Number 10, Uparimaya, desire, upward directions, all together 10 directions, then you can radiate metta to 12 kinds of beings by 4 ways. Then you can attain up to the jhana stage. So 12 kinds of beings here. Then you can multiply by 4 ways. Then you get 48 kinds of metta. Here, 12 kinds of being multiplied by 4 ways or sentence metta. Then you get 48 kinds of metta. Then you also sense metta in 10 directions. Okay, you also sense metta to these 12 kinds of being in 10 directions. You know, 48 multiplied by 10, you get 480 kinds of mettas. You know, there are 48 kinds of metta without directions. There are 480 kinds of metta with 10 directions. So, combined together, then you get 528 kinds of metta. You want to get 528 kinds of metta? You are always sending metta to all beings in the evening chantings. Radiate metta together, okay? Beginning from here, together with me. Prati Maya Disaya, Pechi Maya Disaya, Odaya Disaya, Dekinaya Disaya. Purati Maya Anudisaya, Vaisi Maya Anudisaya, Udaraya Anudisaya, Dakinaya Anudisaya, Heti Maya Disaya, Upari Maya Disaya, Sadve Sata, Sadve Vana, Sadve Buddha, Sadve Bhogala, Sadve Atta Bhava Pariyavana, Sadha Ithiyo, Sadve Purisa, Sadve Ariya, Sadve Anariya, Sadve Deva, Sadve Marusa, Sadve Vinibhatija, Avera Hontu, Avyavajja Hontu, Anika Hontu, Sukhiyatanam Pariharantu. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. 528 kinds of metta finish. When you practice metta meditations, there are also 11 benefits of metta meditation practice. But now I think we have no time. Maybe tomorrow we need to continue about benefit of metta meditations. Sometimes when you are practicing Anapana meditations, if you have a lot of difficulty, then you begin disappointed with Anapana meditation. Or you may have anger during the practice of Anapana meditation. Okay, please stop Anapana meditation practice for a while. Then sense metta to all beings. Your mind will become soft. Your mind will become peaceful. When your mind becomes peaceful, then based on peaceful mind, you can practice Anapana again. Because of the supportance of metta meditation, then your Anapana meditation will be successful, will be easier. So by practicing metta meditation, may you be free from danger, may you be free from mental pain, may you be free from physical pain, may you be well and happy. We should share our merits to all beings. Repeat after me. Idame punya,
Idame punya,
asawa kaya,
asawa kaya,
waham hotu,
waham hotu,
idame punya,
idame punya,
nibbanasa,
นิบานัสสะ
ปัจจโย
ปัจจโย
โหตุ
โหตุ
มัมมาปุญญาภากัง
มามาบุญญาบากัง
สัพพะสัตตานัง
สัพพะสัตตานัง
ภาเจมิ
บาเชมิ
เตสัพเพ
เต